Hey, my name is Austin Childress. I am the Director of Education for Caramello Coffee here in Newport, Kentucky. This video is brought to you by Roasty Coffee. Today, I'm going to explain the difference between a latte and a mocha. Luckily, the answer is really simple. In a latte, you're going to have 2 ounces of espresso, roughly, and it's going to be a 10 to a 12 ounce drink. So your 2 ounces of espresso, and then the rest of it will just be steamed milk. You're gonna try to steam it pretty hot because it's a pretty big drink. So basically around 150, 165 degrees for your latte. And you're gonna want a nice amount of foam on there. Not too much, but you do want it to be a nice kind of silky texture. And then for a mocha, you're going to have 2 ounces of espresso. You're gonna have a 10 to a 12 ounce drink. It's exactly like a latte, except you add chocolate into the beverage. So the best way to do this is to take your chocolate syrup, whatever you're gonna use, put it into the cup that you're using first, and then you'll pour your espresso directly on top of that chocolate, mix it in really well. You'll have your steamed milk that you steam just like you did for a latte, and then you're just gonna pour it in, and that's all it is. A mocha is a chocolatey latte. They're both delicious. Latte is a good everyday drink, and if you have a sweet tooth, throw some chocolate in there and you've got yourself a mocha.